Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is unstoppable, the eternal current of progress. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a moment in every journey when resistance appears insurmountable, where obstacles seem greater than strength, doubts gather and fatigue whispers surrender. Yet history shows that the current of life always favors momentum. In the vast theater of existence, nothing truly stands still. Obstacles may delay, but they cannot deny the flow of energy that seeks expression, offering strength to continue, clarity to endure, and light to advance. Being unstoppable is not reserved for the extraordinary, but is the hidden potential of every ordinary life. The path toward becoming unstoppable begins with clarity, knowing what truly matters. To be unstoppable is not to avoid obstacles, but to learn their language. Ancient wisdom echoes this truth. The revered Bhagavad Gita speaks of Nitya Karma, the eternal duty to act, reminding that life is not meant for stagnation, but for continuous forward movement. Modern physics confirms it. Energy cannot be destroyed, only transformed. To be unstoppable is to live in harmony with this eternal law of transformation. The unstoppable are not those who never falter, but those who cannot be detained by faltering. This is the heartbeat of the unstoppable spirit. Action without paralysis by outcome. By anchoring to purpose, not reward, endurance outlasts despair. Ancient seers called this alignment dharma, the inner law harmonizing with the outer order. Modern psychology describes it as flow, a state where effort becomes effortless because it converges with meaning. Whether through wisdom or science, the conclusion is the same. When thought, action, and truth converge, forward motion cannot be arrested. Nature itself provides the lessons. The river is an enduring symbol of this truth. Mountains attempt to halt its flow, yet the river bends, seeps, and over time reshapes even stone. The stars reveal another face of the unstoppable. After burning for billions of years, a star collapses. In that collapse, it forges the elements essential for life: carbon, oxygen, iron. What appears as destruction is in reality a passage to new creation. The universe itself declares that endings are only transformations. At the scale of the invisible, physics shows the same principle. In quantum tunneling, subatomic particles pass through barriers once thought absolute. Nature demonstrates that progress emerges even where logic predicts impossibility. The seed provides the most intimate lesson. Buried in darkness, pressed beneath soil and stone, it carries within a quiet code. That code drives it upward until it breaks the surface in search of light. Growth is not optional. It is inscribed in its very design. The unstoppable carry this same truth. Nothing outside defines the end unless the inside agrees to stop. In that understanding lies the quiet force of forward motion. To be unstoppable is not conquest but continuity. To be unstoppable is not to overpower life but to flow with it. What's the way forward? For the unstoppable spirit to awaken in daily life, energy must be cultivated at every level. Health and fitness fuel the body with strength. Emotional well-being steadies the heart in storms. Spiritual alignment offers clarity of direction. Disciplined positive thought becomes the architect of reality. Purposeful action sustains momentum beyond distraction. When these dimensions converge under surrender to the higher intelligence of the cosmos, an inner radiance awakens, a sun within. Just as the eternal sun illuminates life across the earth, this inner sun lights the path ahead. In its glow, forward motion becomes natural, steady, and enduring. It is this radiance that makes the spirit unstoppable, not because obstacles disappear, but because the way forward remains visible. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, to be unstoppable is not to overwhelm resistance, but to outlast it by awakening the unstoppable within, discerning between noise and essence, choosing actions guided by truth rather than distraction. Discipline follows, steady effort emerges, and momentum builds as thought, intention, and action converge. Each step, however small, carries forward the current. Each setback becomes fuel rather than barrier. Each resistance only sharpens the resolve. At this summit, the divine assurance from the Bhagavad Gita resounds. Wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. This truth crowns the essence of being unstoppable. When action is guided by clarity, discipline, and surrender to the higher order, progress is not uncertain but assured. In that alignment, the spirit becomes timeless, ageless, and beyond defeat. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.